All right, we have a 2003 Subaru Outback, has 290,000 miles. This is actually one of the hard ball joints, let's put it that way. And not the easy part changer ball joints that just pop right out. This thing's seized up in there. We did crack it loose a minute ago. Show you how here in a second. Done beat the tar out of it. Will not come out that way, couldn't even get it broke loose. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, this is a timing gear. I pressed the bearing out. It's off of a Subaru anyways. We're going to take this, we're going to put this washer over top, and then we're going to take two other ones to size it down. Then we're going to put this bolt over top of it, and then we're going to take another one. We're just using a lug nut here. We're going to use this on the ball joint on the bottom right there. Now we are going to run an impact on this to get it done a little bit quicker and actually get it out. It's just sitting there hee-hawing it and doing it the hard way. This is kind of hard anyways, but oh well. Either way, we're going to do this. I'll show you the aftermath here in a second of hopefully it comes on out. All right, figured I'd show you all the actual setup. You can see where I put all the pieces together. Then I got the lug nut on the bottom. You can use I don't want to use the bolt out of it because we want to actually not strip it, and they're bad about stripping. So we're using this with the impact and actually show it out here in a minute. All right, ball joint is out. I believe that's it, nice and rusty. Y'all can see it, plenty of rust on it. What it usually does, seizes up because your pinch bolt goes through and all that rust seizes up and then swells, and all kind of swells on the other parts and seizes up in there. I don't know if we can see up in it, but it needs cleaned severely. All that rust has to come off. Do yourself a favor, put some anti-seize back on it. Might help just a little bit. And basically just have it like we got it right there. Swing it out of the way any way you can so you can actually clean it. We got the ball joint, or the lower control arm, actually up above the spot right there so it can be cleaned. And put your anti-seize, a lot of it, all the way around the top of the ball joint, and put it up in there. All right, we'll see y'all on the next video. Have any questions, put it in the comments or whatever. Enjoy the day.